Hi boys and girls, we are ready to start a new OG lesson. You need to get your not writing hand out, the one you don't hold a pencil in. That is your tapping hand. And we're going to tap out our phonemes, our sounds, so we can separate our word into sounds. This helps us in our spelling of words. Let's try this word first. Wax. W-ax. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. The next word is cut. K-ut. 3 again. How about zoo? Zoo. Oh, only 2 sounds, 2 phonemes. How about hug? Hug. 3 sounds. Let's try the word yet. Y-et. 3 phonemes. One more. Rake. R-ake. 3 sounds, 3 phonemes. Let's review. Let's review our closed syllable words. A closed syllable has a consonant at the end, and we say the sound of our vowel. The sound of our vowels we have here: a as in apple, I as in I. It's your nose. Let's try reading these. Let's blend these together. Ready? You can echo me first. Rim, fan, mid, sit, dam, bag, tan, kit, cap. So we're going back and forth with our a and I, our sounds of our vowels. All right, let's talk about a couple of these words before we read again. So I'm thinking mid, like short for middle of something, and a kit. We've talked about that, like a first aid kit, or a kit that you put together a model car or a model airplane, or a craft kit. Let's talk about this word. First of all, sometimes you might need to get your bee checker out. It's a D, and that word is dam. And that's what you see like in a pond or a river area, water area. Like a beaver will build a dam. That's what that's called, to block up the water. And that's what that is. And we've talked about rim before, the rim of a basketball goal or the rim of your cup where you put your lips to drink. And tan, that's like a little color. It's like a light brown. You might get tan in the summertime. All right, let's read these again. You read them the same time as me. Ready? Rim, fan, mid, sit, dam, bag, tan, kit, cap. Could be the cap of a water bottle, or a cap is another word for a hat. How about we read these? If you love taking naps. Do you like to take a nap? I do. Rim, fan, mid, sit, dam, bag, tan, kit, cap. How about we read these again? If you like riding roller coasters, do you like that? Rim, fan, mid, sit, dam, bag, tan, kit, cap. Let's see, do we have any rhyming words? I see some. Sit and kit. Ooh, it doesn't look like my marker's working. Let's try another one. Sit and kit. They're both in the it family. There we go. Oh, I see another one. Fan and tan. They're both in the and family. And I think that's it. That's all we have. Let's play another game. I'm thinking of a word, and it's a synonym, a word that means the same as a sack, like a sack that you put your groceries in. Could be bag. I'm thinking of a word that's a synonym to a hat. A cap. I'm thinking of a word, and it's maybe someone who cheers you on if you're playing a game. They're called a fan, right? All right. let's work on some more closed syllable words with a new vowel sound. So we still have closed syllable words, but this time our vowel, we're saying ah. In a closed syllable word, O says ah. Ah, that you take maybe as you take your finger around your mouth, ah. So let's practice reading. You echo me. Box, on, mob, got, dot, rob, nod, pot, fog. Now I see a lot of B's and D's. Make sure B, not a B. So you might have to use your B checker a lot. All right, let's try these again now. Read them at the same time. We're gonna sound like we're talking. Box, on, mob, got, dot, rob, nod, pot, fog. Fog comes in the morning. It looks a little like cloudy out, it's hard to see. Nod, when you take your head up and down, you nod. A mob is a group of people. Can we read these? If you like being at home on Saturday and Sunday. Here we go. Box, on, mob, got, dot, rob, nod, pot, fog. Let's go backwards now. Let's start down here. Fog, pot, nod, rob, dot, got, mob, on, box. Let's see. Do we have any rhyming words? I see some. Mob and rob. We're in the ob family. I see some more. Got, pot, dot. Ooh, we're in the ought family. Let's see. I think that's it. We don't have any more. All right, good job. Let's get our paper out and your pencil or your pen. And we are ready to write. Put your name and your date. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letter, our fingers on the rectangle. Write me the lowercase letter J under the dotted line with the monkey's tail. Write me the lowercase letter F. Are you trying to make your letters better each day? Neater, touching your lines. Write me the lowercase letter L. Write me the lowercase letter X. All right, put your finger on the oval. This time I'm gonna say the sound. You write the letter, you write the lowercase letter. Write me the lowercase letter for the sound P. It's a P. Write me the lowercase letter for the sound Ks. Ks. Like a K and an S together. Write me the lowercase letter that says aw. It's an O. Write me the lowercase letter that says Z. Yes, a Z. Put your finger on the square. This time I'm going to say the keyword and you write the letter for that keyword. The keyword is apple. Begins with an A, apple. The keyword is cat. Remember what letter? K. Cat, right. The C. The keyword is rat. Rat. And the letters R. The keyword is fish. And the letter at the beginning is F. Put your finger on the triangle. This time I'm going to say a word and you listen to that beginning sound, that first sound. And we'll write the letter for it. The word is bag. What's the beginning sound of bag? It's a B. And so we write a B. You need to use your B checker. Make sure you have a B. The word is tap. What's the beginning sound of tap? It's a T. The word is van. What do you hear at the beginning of van? It's a V. And the word is had. What's the first sound of had? A tall H. All right, let's get ready to spell some of our closed syllable words. You need your tapping hand to help you. Your first word is fan. Let's tap it. And 3 sounds, 3 letters. F, A, N. Our next word is kit. Let's tap it. It. Now kit starts like kite. Your keyword kite will help you spell kit. It starts the same way with a K. It. K-I-T. Kit. The next word is bag. B-ag. 3 sounds. Do you need your B checker? Make sure you're making a B. B-A-G. B. Look how my G comes past the line. Ooh, this is a tricky one. The last word is quit. Ready? Let's tap it. It. Now there's 3 sounds, but there's 4 letters. Qu. Remember what we say? Q is always followed by U. And those 2 letters together say qu. Qu. It. Qu. It. Q-U-I-T. Let's read these together. Ready to read with me? Fan, kit, bag, quit. Let's go to our diamond. And we're working on that new sound. O says ah in a closed syllable word. O says ah in a closed syllable word. O says ah in a closed syllable word. We're going to write some closed syllable words that have ah. Turn your paper over. Let's find that tapping hand again. Here we go. Number 1, mob. Mob. Let's write it. Mob. Mob. M-O-B. Make sure you have a B. Our next word is log. Get your tapper hand. Log. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Log. L-O-G, log. Number 3, got. Got. 3 sounds. I hear every sound, so I know the letter for it. G-O-T. Got. Last one, nod. Nod. 3 sounds, 3 letters. N-O-D. You need to use your B checker. Make sure you made a D. Yep. Nod. Let's go back and read these. Read them at the same time. Mob, log, got, nod. All right, we have a brand new memory word today. Here it is. A-R-E. Says R. We are at school. We are friends. They are my family. We use the word are when we're talking about lots of things. This sentence would not make sense. I are happy. That kind of sounds like baby talk. I is by myself. We don't use are with just one. I'm using the word like they, or sometimes though we do use it with you, the word you, when you're talking about using the word you for yourself. You are my friend. That makes sense. We are happy. They are here. All right, let's get ready to skywrite. Here we go. A-R-E says R. A-R-E says R. A-R-E says R. Let's write it. Let's spell it as we write it. A-R-E says R. A-R-E says R. A-R-E says R. A-R-E says R. Can you think of a sentence with R? My dogs are cute. See, I was talking about lots of dogs. The cows are big. I was talking about lots of cows. So we use it when we're talking about lots of things, but then we also use it for the word you. You are nice. All right, let's go write it 2 more times. Ready? A-R-E says R. Now close your eyes and try to skywrite. A-R-E says R. Can you do it without looking? Do you remember? It's new today. We'll get better at it. Let's check. Let's check and say it. A-R-E says R. All right, now do you remember how to spell the word for? But let me use it in a sentence. This is for you. F-O-R says for. It's not the number word. No, this is like when I have something for someone. F-O-R. This is for you. This is for my family. Do you remember how to spell the word was? I'll give you a hint. There's no U, there's no Z. Remember, was means in the past. It was hot yesterday. W-A-S says was. Let's write it and say it. W-A-S says was. All right, let's get ready for our sentence. Let's get our cups card. Capital at the beginning. O for the right order, P for punctuation, S for spelling. Let's write this on our paper. Let's put our punctuation. We might use a period for a telling sentence. We might use a question mark for a question or an exclamation point to show expression. Show me where you start your sentence at the beginning. You go to the very edge. Here's our sentence. The lid is hot. Ooh, the lid is hot. Let's count our words. The lid is hot. 4 words. Start at the beginning. The. Start with your uppercase, capital. Remember, T-H-E is the. Leave some space. The lid. Do we need to tap out lid? L-id. The lid. Make sure you're making a D. The lid is. Let's tap out hot. Hot. 3 sounds, 3 letters. The lid is hot. Now, if I was telling someone like not to touch the lid, I would use an exclamation point. I would be showing expression in my voice. The lid is hot, because you don't want them to touch it. However, if you don't want to use the exclamation point, you can just make it a telling sentence. The lid is hot. I think most of us, though, would change our voice. The lid is hot. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have 4 words? Did you leave good space? That looks like a good sentence. The lid is hot. Good job today.